How to remove your school from your profile on VK on Android or iOS phone. First open VK and now click on your profile here, then click these 3 points here and click edit profile. Now scroll down and click education, and now just click on your school and wait, click this pen here and then click this X icon, and that's it. Now just go back. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.